Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can paint format in Google Docs. For example, if you'd like to apply the same format, including the same font style, font size, font color, alignment, and so on and so forth for one item or piece of text to a different one without applying these changes one by one. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. Drop a like and now let us get started. So I'm on Google Docs, as you can see, and I created that example document here for the sake of this tutorial. So let me change, for example, the font of that part of the text here, just for the sake of this tutorial. Let me select, for example, that font here and also change the font size and apply bold letters. And now I would like to apply the same style here to that part of the text below without making these changes one by one. So this is how you can do it, guys. Simply highlight the text you have added the changes to, like that. After that, click on that icon here at the top, paint format. And in the last step, simply mark or highlight the text you would like to apply these changes for. So let me mark that entire part here, just like that. Release your left mouse. And as you can see, the entire style has been applied to that part of the text here with one click of my mouse. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you paint format in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.